Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. In this video, I will share some of my entries for this week and the previous week. Maybe that will improve your skills and help you to build your trade. Let's start with your USD. I have your USD. The reasons why I entered this trade: 1.09200 is a very important resistance level for this pair. Also, we have a reversal pattern, this double top pattern. I waited the price to go to downside and then back to upside. I have this evening star formation and 3 point formation. I waited the price to close with this huge bearish candlestick to downside, and then I waited the price to go back to retest my resistance, and then I entered the asset trade and they gave me 150 pips. The second pair, we have USD CHF. I entered this trade last week with Euro USD. We have a triple formation, morning star candlestick. We have this hammer candlestick. I waited in 15 minutes time frame, closure above, and I entered, and more than 180 pips for this pair. Euro JPY I entered this week. It was a very simple and very easy entry. We have a daily resistance, this blue line. It was a very good resistance. I entered from the same area before, and we have a very good closure on daily time frame below the resistance. I waited the price to go up and retest the resistance and give me more than 70 pips. Also, I have cat JPY, the same analysis exactly. We have a fake breakout to upside, and then we have this amazing hangman candlestick closed below with this huge bearish candlestick and make this 3 pin formation pattern. I waited the price to go up to retest this area, and then I entered the sell trade, and they gave me more than 50 pips. The second pair that I shared with you guys for free this week, EuroCAD. EuroCAD was amazing entry, by the way. I have two entries in this pair. This is the Wix area, pushed the price to downside, very good. Amazing daily candlestick, amazing 4 hours candlestick. We have a good rejection from 78.6 and 71 fab level. We have this amazing bearish candlestick, engulfing bearish candlestick. I shared this entry with you guys, more than 60 pips right now. Also, I have Euro CHF from last 2 weeks. It was a very good entry from the support. It was a very easy also entry. We have a good resistance and support. The price closed above, back retest with multiple candlesticks. I entered that by trade, and now I have this limit entry. If the price go down and give me any bullish price action, then I can enter another buy trade on this pair. GBP JPY, I shared it with you guys this week, maybe yesterday. Yes, yesterday. It was a very simple entry. Also, we have a good resistance, pushed the price to downside very hard, and we have a daily closure below. I waited the price to close below with this amazing bearish candlestick, and then we entered a sell trade, gave me more than 80 pips. GPP NZD from last week, I missed a very good entry yesterday because it was very late after this closure above the resistance. It was very late in my time zone, so I missed this entry. It was a very good and amazing entry, almost 200 pips, zero drawdown. If the price go back again to 2.10600, I will enter a buy trade from here for sure. The second AUD CAD, it was a very simple setup. This is a rejection area, 0.89. Pushed the price to downside many times. We have amazing signal that the price will go to downside. This huge wick to take all stop losses above before going to downside. I entered the asset trade. It was very simple setup. Gave me more than 50. More than 80 pips, and also it was a great entry. I have also AUD JPY. AUD JPY was very good entry, and I have a free trade for you guys. Now, why I entered, it was very simple. I have this amazing shooting star candlestick 3 pin formation. I decide for sure to enter a sell trade now running in 150 pips. And also I have a new entry for you guys, this old entry for me. This is a very good previous support and resistance. Now we have a very good closure below. To be honest, I prefer to waiting for daily closure below this blue line, and then waiting the price to go up to retest the level, and then we can enter a sell trade. But if you are aggressive trader, you can enter with 4 hours candlestick. So if the price go up and give us any bearish price action from this area, we can enter a good sell trade, and I think it will be very good sell setup. Also, I shared this free trade with you guys in the DJPY. It was a very simple setup. We have a daily closure below previous support. It was amazing support and worked as a good resistance. By the way, I entered two entries on this pair. First one 150 peps, second one 80 peps. This is from this week, 80 peps. It was very easy. Now, also, I will share a free trade with you guys. If we have a retest for broken support, if you want to be more safe, wait for daily closure first below this support. If we have a daily closure below, the price will go back to retest it with 4 hour candlestick, and then we can enter a sell trade to the same targets. Also, I have a many cat chf entries. I shared a lot with you guys. I think I shared two entries. The first one closed 250 pips, second one 200 pips, third entry I had 120 pips, where I entered all those entries. This was a very good support for this pair. The price closed below it, but again the price closed above and back below, and then gave me this amazing bullish engulfing candlestick. I decided to enter a buy trade from here, and also this was my previous support and the new resistance. When the price closed above, back to test, I entered again. The same, the price closed above my previous resistance, and I entered. So it was great entries, by the way. And the last trade I have it in the decad. In the decad, I think I'm in it for more than 2 weeks. 220 peps, only 30 peps to hit the final target. It was a very good entry also, but it's very slow. Hope you all benefited from all these entries. Why I shared all these entries, because I want you to know how I'm working and how you can do the same and create your entries and setups. It's very easy. Just you you need to know how to analyze the candlesticks and the price action and the charts. Step by step, you will be very good. Hope you all benefited from this video. Trade safe and have a great weekend.